Hey Zeal Academy, welcome to Zeal Garden. Here we're going to learn about God's creation, how to be good stewards and take care of it, and how to harvest and eat from our very own garden. Are you ready to get your hands dirty? So am I. Come on. But before we do, make sure to click subscribe if you haven't done so already. Click the notification bell so that you find out when we upload a video. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up. We really like the love. All right, let's get this adventure started. Today we are going to have a great time learning on how to deal with the situation of when you're planting and you see that you have a lot of plants close together, they're not really growing. So we're going to learn on how to move them from where they're at into a better area for them to be able to spread their roots and grow. Okay, so I'm super excited that today I get to try out my new gloves. And these have these little claws on them, and they are so useful into digging the dirt. And I just got them on Amazon, garden claw or something like that. And I just have to say, so far so good. Okay, as you can see, I have a whole bunch of peppers here that I put in, and they're too close together, so they didn't really like grow. And it's been many months since this whole quarantine happened, and we need to spread them out so they have a chance because they're dying off. So what I'm doing is I'm gonna get two. See, I'm gonna use my tips here, and I'm going to about 1.5 inches away from the actual stem right here. I'm gonna dig into the ground a little. You can do this with a shovel as well, and gently pull up. Oh, we got two already. That's cool. Okay, making sure that I don't damage the root system. And we're going to separate them. If they fall out, that's okay. Just try to keep a little bit of soil with them and gently pull them apart. There we go, and there's two separate. Now they have the ability to go into a pot like this. Let's put it in a hole. You see that? Okay. So we have here one that I had already taken out. We're going to split this up so we can give him more space. I'm going to put it in gently. Get the other one. Put some space between them. Let's see if this will help them grow a little bit more. Giving them a little bit more space. If you have a bigger pot, that's great. I don't know right now, so I'm going to use this temporarily, and then I'm going to possibly put it into a bigger space. Gently tap it down so it's all the same level, and then we'll put some water on it. And then we're going to make some space here in between the garden. So I'm going to take this guy out. Okay. Maybe put him in the middle. I'm going to dig a hole. Let's leave about a foot, 12 inches in between each one. So we got to take out these, and in between I have a basil. So here they are planted. We're going to get some more soil that was just done, and we're going to put more in here. Okay, now I've spread out a lot, and I don't want to disturb it too much, so if I have to rearrange it, I'll rearrange it. But I've cleaned this out. We took the over one that was growing too big out of here, and we spread it out so that each plant has enough space in between to grow and the roots take a part of the soil. By shaking off the dirt, you have less dirt on your workbench area, and you have more plants to then repot and put somewhere or put in the ground. And these are all bell peppers. See right here? See these that have this fungi on it? We're not gonna use that, so we're gonna give it to the ducks. It's okay. This one has it too. Just take out the not so pretty ones because we have so much. And recycle it back to the nutrients in the dirt. Okay, the ducks. Hey guys. We'll look forward to having you with us on the next lesson on God's creation. God bless you.